If you want to enable step counter on a Realme 14T, then first of all we can open the Fitbit app, which should be actually available after the initial configuration. It should be pre-installed. However, in your case, if you don't have this app, then you can just download it for free from the Play Store. So once you open the app, we can just sign in, for example, with our Google account. I believe that this is the quickest way and the most convenient way. So let's sign in. After that, you might need to set permissions. There we go. And you should be able to find the step counter. However, we can also add the step counter as a widget to our home screen. So I'm gonna press and hold my finger on an empty space in order to choose widgets over here. And then we can try to find the Fitbit app. And let's add the widget. And there we go. As you can see, we have the counter over here. We can make it just smaller as well if you want the widget to take less space. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.